Okay, so welcome to Divine Express. There is a basic tutorial on JavaScript based on alerts. Okay, or JavaScript prompts. So we are going to do something small on this. So in our basic HTML file, what you are supposed to do, we have the doc type, where is type of HTML. We specify our HTML, our body, and which everything we are going to code is. So you follow my tutorial. This is the basic JavaScript. Okay. So H2 means heading. Heading is another form of heading, which heading to elements. Heading to elements. So you can specify your button elements and you are good to go. But here in our case, our button, let's write in here, let's say activate. What are you going to activate? This button is going to do something. So we have on click, which will tell the file that when someone clicks on this button, something should happen. So on click, anything we are going to code in our script, so it will be given a name. So my name is called my function. It can be any name. I give it my function. Okay, so let's get into it. As you all know, we have P. The P tag is also a paragraph tag, but with ours there will be nothing within the P. All what you are going to specify in here is an ID, which is called demo. Okay, so let's move on to write our script. Okay, script. Okay, so we have a function. My function is called my function, as I wrote in here. My function. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so what will be in my function? What do I want to apply or do with my function? Okay, it's just what a text. Let text. Okay, another let person. So my function is going to get a username. Going to get username of what users. Let person be prompt. So as I said, yeah, it's going to be a prompt function. Prompt. How do you call it? Okay. Which tells users to enter their name. So please enter your name over here. Okay, so I'll bring a comma with another. So my name is Joshua. You're awesome. So this is something in HTML. We have something called placeholder. So anytime you specify an input, you can even add a placeholder where the name you type here will be in there. So it can be example this. So even if you don't have a label in HTML, you have something called what label. Even if you don't have a label, this can tell the user that this is what you are trying to tell the user to enter. So it means this input area or this area or the space provided there is asking for what a username. So that's one thing you cannot apply. So after that you terminate. You can terminate. Okay. So in most programming languages we have if analysis. We have something called if analysis, multiple if. So if there's an if, which is a true statement, there will be an else, which is the false statement. In Excel we have something like that too. So if the statement meets the requirement, then the true value will be assigned. If it doesn't, we will put the false value over there. So as we have if person is not now, you see, for this I'll explain it later. It's a huge thing on it. I'll do another tutorial on that and we'll get into it to understand. Okay, person is equal to the space provided. Okay, so that's the if. So it is going to give a text area. Text is equal to that. If the text area given, if the person typed nothing or cleared the placeholder which I have specified over here, and the person hits OK, it means the input area is now, there's nothing over there, so it should display this text over there, that user cancelled the prompt. You see? Okay, user cancel the prompt. After that you can terminate. Okay, else if, so you see the if statement is saying if the person didn't enter anything in the space provided and the person clicks OK, it should display this text, user cancel the prompt. But if the person entered something, that's what else, anything else, it should display what, this text is equal to what, hello, you see, hello plus person. So this time it's going to display this text over here, hello plus person. This time we are calling the person, so the person over here is now the name you enter over here. See, person over here is what, the name you enter over here. So if this space is not blank, it's not equal to empty, it should call the name over here, hello plus the person's name plus this text. You see, how are you doing today? Hope you're trying to get it. Okay, so after that I'm going to save, but first let's do this function. The button over here should work by a get element something, because we use what, an ID over here called demo. So this button should work for this function over here. So document dot get element by id. So the IDs we have over here is called demo. You see, dot inner HTML. Get it? The IDs is specified are not JavaScript IDs. They are what? HTML tags. So inner HTML equal to text. We can now terminate. So let's save our file. It's an HTML file, so you can save it. Let's say try save as file tab. You have what HTML before, because we specified HTML, we selected a language called HTML, so it has given us HTML already. So let's save. So we have try.html. Let's go and view that in our browser. We have try.html. So as you can see, JavaScript prompt. We have activate. So I think I made a mistake. Prompt. Okay. Save. So as you can see, button. You have a button and a placeholder, or the value. That button is called what? Activate. Okay. So I'll refresh and everything is back. So let's activate. You see, I now have a prompt. Please enter your name. You see the placeholder, so you can clear. My name is, how do you call it? Peter Anderson. See? Something should happen which is not happening. So let's see what's wrong with our code. Okay, so inner HTML, I think we have multiple ends. Inner HTML, let's save, because it should work. Let's refresh and activate again. So as you can see, hello Peter Anderson, how are you doing today? It worked. So hope everything is cool. Can do that. It is giving more space, because this one jumped. So Peter Anderson. Okay, let me refresh. Okay. Hello Hurricane, how are you doing today? See, now everything is working. Everything is working. Everything is working. Okay. So see you once again. This is Divine Express IT Solution. We shall bring to you more tutorials in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, PHP, and Java. Okay, so thank you for watching. Goodbye. Shall meet